discussing about the alternative array declaration syntax. So the square bracket types follow the type specifier and not the same name of the type variable. For example, type square bracket variable name. So it is the alternative array declaration syntax. For example, int a1 is equals to new int 3, or we can also write is as int square bracket a2 is equals to new int 3. The following declarations are also equivalent if I write character D1 square bracket and then new character and then 3 or 4, or we can write the square brackets above the variable in front of the variable, or we can say that we can assign the square bracket before the variable name also. So these are the alternative array declaration syntax. We can use it either after the variable name or we can use it before the variable name. Both are compatible and both are same way. So these are the alternative array declaration syntax. Let's see the code how to implement these types of array also. We can reference the array in a different way. So let's see the alternative array references. In this example, we create a class named testArray, and inside the main method, we declare and instantiate an array with two different ways. In first way, we put the square brackets before the A, and hence we use new keyword for array creation. And in the second array for B, we use the square bracket after the variable and we use only the curly braces and put the values inside it. So both are the ways to create to declare and instantiate the arrays. In first way, we have to initialize the other variables in like this, like a of 0 is equals to 10, a of 1 is equals 20, a of 2 is equals to 70. In this way we can initialize this type of array. And in B is equals to 5, 0, 15, 45 and 7, there is no need to define the variable, or there is no need to define the length of an array, because we already gives the all the values and it will already take it as a total number of 5 length, because it gives me 5, 0, 15, 45 and 7, and it already taken the length because we give the final values. So there is no need to exceed this value, so it will take the length as 5. And in traversing, first way I use simple for loop and I print the value a of I, and for second, that is B, we use for each loop and just print the values as. Let's save it and execute it. For execution, we use javac test array dot java. See, it will compile successfully. Let's execute it. Java test array. Hence, it will give me the result 10, 20, 70, 40, 50. These are the value of first array, and 5, 0, 15, 45 and 7. These are the value of second array. So these are the different types for array declaration and instantiation. Thank you.